Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a famous Saudi dessert, Ali. This recipe is for about 20 to 25 people. First, put 700 grams of cooked puff pastry into a shallow baking dish and break it into small pieces. This recipe is good for 20 to 25 people. In a saucepan, add 3 liters of water. Add 375 grams of sugar to the water. Then add 750 grams of milk powder. Also add 20 grams of vanilla sugar. Mix well and bring to a boil. I'm using milk powder. You can use fresh milk too. Now add 30 grams of dry coconut, 50 grams of sliced almond, 50 grams of crushed pistachios. Add finally 50 grams of raisins. Now pour the hot milk mixture over the puff pastry. About 1/3 of milk at this stage. Keep the remaining milk side to add later needed. Gently mix everything together. Now add 200 ml of rose water and gently mix again. Cover with foil and let the pastry rest and absorb the milk. After 30 minutes, check the consistency. If needed, add some of the remaining milk mixture. The consistency should not be too watery and should not be too thick. Cover again and let rest. Meanwhile, whip 700 gram full-fat cream until firm. Cover the mixture with cling film to prevent splashing. Now you can see puff pastry mixture also ready. Remove the cling film and check the cream. As you can see, the cream has reached the required peak. Transfer the cream into a piping bag fitted with a flat nozzle. Pipe the cream evenly over the puff pastry mixture. Gently spread the cream over the entire surface and make sure all sides are completely covered. Use spatula to flatten and level the cream before putting into the oven. Now bake the Umm Ali at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. After 15 minutes, rotate the pan to help the surface become evenly golden brown on all sides. After 30 minutes, the Umm Ali is ready. So remove it from the oven. As you can see, The Umm Ali is beautifully baked with a golden brown surface. Now it's time to garnish. I'm using dry rose petals, toasted sliced almond, and crushed pistachio. Finally, our delicious Umm Ali is ready to serve. If you enjoy this recipe, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.